In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord, well this is awkward, crash. The first step that you want to do is you want to open up Task Manager, and from in here you want to head over to Details, press on Name, and then press D and look for Discord. If you find any Discord, you want to end the task and make sure there's nothing from Discord open. After that, click on this little box right here, and you want to close down Discord if it's in here as well. Once you've done that, what we want to do is you want to come here and search for run, type in temp, press enter, and in this folder you're going to delete everything. And if this pops up, just press this and skip, and just do it again. And probably you have a lot more in here than I did, because I just cleaned it, but just delete everything that you can and just skip these. After that, you want to come here and search run, type in percentage local app data percentage, and press OK. Then in here, what you want to do is you want to look for your Discord folder. It should be around here, and you want to delete this folder. Once you've deleted it, you want to come back to app data, roaming, and you want to delete this Discord folder as well. Now, if you cannot delete these folders for some reason, just head in here and search for apps and features, search for Discord, uninstall, and then go reinstall it from the Discord website. Now, if you were able to delete these, what you wanted to do is delete them, right-click recycle bin and empty it, and then you want to go here, apps and features, Discord, uninstall, and then go reinstall it. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.